What's up, D.I.Y gang? We back with another video. It's your boy Greg with D.I.Y with the Richard, man. What's up, man? Another beautiful day, man, on this Sunday, man. So I figured, just got out of church, man. Might as well come and work on this beast, man. Show y'all what I'm working on today. Check this out, man. So just got this kit, man, and I'm getting parts in for this thing, man. So y'all bear with me on this bill, man. But I got a kit from Dingo. All right, this kit is a billet kit for the AC, man. So right now, trying to see how this go, man, and I'm putting it, I'm basically setting it up, putting it on the head, man. I'm trying to get this kit mounted up today just to see how it's gonna look. Oh man, the compressor is super small, man. It's a sanding compressor, and I mean like look at my hand. That's how big that compressor is, man. It's super small. But today, man, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna work on that, getting that on. Then I'm gonna have to measure for a belt. Still gotta put thermostat in. What else, man? I'm running to, man, like running into the power steering issues. So I gotta get some type of, I gotta figure out what thread that is for that. It's just, man, a lot of little hiccups, man, for this on this thing, man. But we getting it together. She all bolted down, transmission in. So y'all can see, transmission in. She all bolted down. I got electric fans coming for it. Like I said, we're putting Holley EFI on it, so the Holley, it does the fan controls and everything. So yeah, man, I'm gonna work on this today, and just kind of walk y'all through this dirty Dingo in case y'all want to try to put it on your swap, on your LS swap. So like I said, man, it's nice, a little billet piece, and it's got these little recessed bolts that bolts into the head. Got a little hex on there, so I'm gonna get those in. I'm gonna go find my Allen wrench, and I'm gonna get these in. Try to get that tight, and then we're gonna go from there. All right, gang. So let's see, man. We got the hex bolts in, got them tight. So now I just opened up this other pack over here. This pack here said the front, so this, I guess that's the front of it. And then I got some of these spacers here, and I think these spacers got to go between the both of those brackets. So let's see how this works. So let's see. So I'm assuming it's gonna go something like that. And the spacers will be here, so like right there, and down there. That's what it looks like. So I'm gonna get the spacers. Let's see if I can get behind this thing. Okay. Let's thread it. See that bottom? Alright, I'm gonna try to get that on. I'm trying to get this piece here on, and the bracket. And I'm gonna see how this look, man. Don't look like it's gonna be too big. Don't look like it's gonna be too big. It's not gonna take up a lot of space. So, all right, me gonna work on that, man, and see what we got. All right, gang. So you got these spacers. So I put the spacers in between there, right? So you got one bolt on there that recess in. It goes in there, which is self-explanatory because it's recessed. Then you got this outside one here. That one's gonna be a short one, and then this one is gonna be a long one because it goes through the back to the head. All right. So right now I got that on there. Everything looking good. So you have a new tension. You know, usually your tensioner will bolt on that and that. That's where your tensioner usually will bolt, or is it them two? One of them two. But see how this going on. Got like a little dot right there, so I'm assuming that dot going there and that thread is going there. So let's see. do this in one hand. Alright, pretty much like that. Alright. Let's see. There's one of these. Tighten this up. So that is the new tensioner for the belt. So you gotta have bolts that come here that go up on this. Let's get this out. Alright. Let's see. Make sure that's sitting there. But you gotta push these in, put some things in there. It should sit in there just like that. But it did not come with bolts, y'all. So I'm gonna have to give them a call. Cause I got some more bolts. Hold on, man. Let's see. I got these bolts, man, but ain't no way them bolts long enough to get to fit that. Ain't no way. All right, let me try to get the compressor on there, and let me show y'all how I look when I'm done with it. All right, y'all. So as y'all see, man, it is pretty compact. Pretty compact. I do gotta call them concerning the bolts for this. I don't have the bolts for it, so right now I just got it sitting in. But man, it looks to be a real nice setup for an LS, man. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead on. I got the new alternator. I'm gonna go ahead and put the alternator on today, man, and then I'm gonna call it a day, man, and enjoy the rest of my Sunday, man. All right. So I'm not gonna put. This is the ends for the lines for the high and low lines for the alternator. Not for the alternator, but for the pop for the AC compressor. This is those. I'm not gonna put those on because I want to keep the system sealed. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the alternator on, the new alternator on, and see how it looks, how everything looks. All right. So we got the new alternator here. And I'm trying to get this bad baby on. Let's see. Okay. Should go in. So I had to tap it in. I got the little pieces there that that sticks out. So we gotta push those in and we get the alternator in. Then I'm have to route a belt and see. I wonder if the same factory belt will fit on this, because it's almost in the same spot. I'm gonna try it and see. Hopefully the factory belt fit on this and we can get this thing going. But that's it, man. We getting there. We are getting there. All right, man. So it came with these bolts, and I was wondering what these went to. And so I counted the bolts, and I was like, man, it's 4 bolts. So what do you got? 4 bolts, 4 sides. So instead of them having 1 bolt that would have went all the way through, and maybe had some threads right here, threaded in here, and you could have just used 2 bolts. They use 4 bolts. 1 small one here that goes in there. You got a washer that you got to put on there, but I was just checking it out. And then you got a through bolt right here that go through here, and it's got a nut. So y'all see, it got a nut, one of them lock nuts, and a washer. So it do come with the hardware. Yeah, man. So that's pretty much it for me today. It's a Sunday, man. I'm trying to relax and get me a little rest, man, before I start working more. Man, I know it's been taking a long time, but these Oldsmobile Buicks, they're a little different from the Chevrolet, from the regular Chevrolet motors. The setup So it's a learning curve for me. But man, y'all stay tuned with me, man. I gotta get these things out of here, man. Get this thing rolling, man. Hopefully soon. I get the fluids and everything in. Hopefully soon, man. We be getting to crank up, man. We're gonna set that Holly Terminator X up, and we'll see what she do, man. But anyway, man, like I always say, man, at the end of my videos, my favorite scripture, Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ Jesus who strengthens me. So can you, man. Appreciate y'all checking in with your boy one more time, man. All right, God bless. We out.